Is your Kia Sportage refusing to turn over, leaving you stranded and frustrated? Statistically, 70% of all no-start conditions are caused by a simple battery failure. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to find the root cause. Start by checking for corroded terminals and listening for any clicking sounds near the engine bay. If the battery is fine, inspect your starter relay and check the main ignition fuses for damage. Don't overlook the brake switch, as the car won't start if it doesn't sense you pressing the pedal. You can handle simple electrical fixes yourself, but complex ECU or harness issues belong in a professional shop. Replacing a battery or relay is relatively cheap, while a full starter replacement will cost significantly more. Use a multimeter to verify voltage and always scan for OBD-I codes to see if the computer reports a fault. Keep a basic scanner and multimeter in your glove box to save hours of guesswork during a breakdown. Remember, never force the starter if it refuses to turn, as you risk damaging the engine's flywheel. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there on the road with your Kia.